Hello friends, today we are learn the subject maths of standard 6. In that exercise 1.2 question number 7. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? That means यहाँ पे मर्चेंट के पास 78,592 रुपीज है, उसमें से वो 40 रेडियो सेट का ऑर्डर देते हैं एंड उसकी प्राइस है ₹1200 ईच. तो क्वेश्चन ये है हाउ मच मनी विल रिमेन विथ हर आफ्टर दी परचेज, कि ये पूरा परचेजिंग करने के बाद उसके पास कितने रुपीस बचे होंगे. सो first one, a merchant had rupees 78,592 and she placed an order for purchasing 40 radios at rupees 1200 each. So she placed an order of 40 radio set. So the total value of radio set is 1200 multiplied by 40. So total value of 40 radio set, that is 1200 multiplied by 40. So it will be 12 for the 48. 30. So it will be rupees 48,000. Okay. So now she has rupees 78,592. From that she purchased the radio of value 48,000. Now we have to subtract 48,000 from the 78,592. $78,592 minus rupees 48,000. So here 29503. So see here rupees 30,592 will be remain. So rupees 30,592 will remain with her. Question number 8. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? We have to also given the hint. You need to do both the multiplication. Here the students multiplied number 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying 56. यानी यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स को एक्चुअल में मल्टीप्लाई करना था 56 से, बट बाय मिस्टेक उसने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है 65 से. तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि जो हमारा आंसर मिलेगा वो एक्चुअल यानी करेक्ट आंसर से कितना ज्यादा होगा. So let's start. The student multiply. Here we have to do the multiplication of both the number. यानी 7236 को हमें multiply by 65 भी करना पड़ेगा and 7236 को multiply करना पड़ेगा 56 से. Then after we have to do difference of these two answer. So first one we have to multiply of 7236 by 65. So first one we have to do multiply of 7236 by 65. So let's start. 7236 multiply by 65. Here if you have two digits 65, so put first one 0, then after 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18 plus 3 21, 6 2 are 12 plus 2 14, 6 7 are 42 plus 1 3 43, then 5 6 are 30, 5 3 are 15 plus 3 18, 5 2 are 10 plus 1 11, 5 7 are 35 plus 1 36, then addition 0 6 plus 8 14, 1 1 1 3, 6 plus 4 10, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7 and 4. Okay, so 470340, this one is the incorrect answer. Now we have to do multiply 7236 with 56. 7236 multiply by 56. Again we have to do digit number 56. We have to put first one 0, 5 6 are 30, 5 3 are 15 plus 3 18, 5 2 are 10 plus 1 11, 5 7 are 35 plus 1 6 36, then 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18 plus 3 21, 6 2 are 12 plus 2 14, 6 7 are 42 plus 1 43, 6 1 8 plus 4 12, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, 6 plus 4 10, 3 plus 1 4. So this one is the actual correct answer and this one is the did by student by mistakes. So the question is that the how much answer is greater than the actual answer. यानी जो correct answer ये है, okay, उससे ये गलत answer है वो कितना? We have to do subtraction of these two number. So 470,340 minus 40,5216. 0 minus 6 not possible. Take the 10. 10 minus 6 4. Here 3. 3 minus 1 2. 3 minus 2 1. 0 minus 5 not possible. Take 10. 10 minus 5 5. 6 6 minus 0 6. 4 minus 4 0. So the actual answer is 65,124 greater than the actual answer.